Good morning to one and all present here. Let us discuss about the automations and the FMS in the subject smart manufacturing process. Let us recall the last classes topic. We have discussed about the robotics in the last class, which means wherever we do the smart manufacturing, this is the robotics is one of the important parameters to make the loading and unloading and to machining the object. So here, what are all the component we use for robotics is how the link the robotics to the manufacturing system and how these robotics will help in to make the automations, which are some of the point are the pick and place, machine tending, assembly, welding, and then packaging, palletizing, inspection, material removal, and then dispensing. These are all some of the things which have been discussed in the earlier classes in the well. Next, we'll see about the automations and its fundamentals and its terminologies and how it will give the traverse in the real world. What is meant by automations? Let us see here. Automations in manufacturing, which is mainly used for controlling of the systems, controlling of the machines, and then robotics and the information technology. Where in mechanical engineering, in nowadays the additive manufacturing, smart manufacturing, which are all called flexible manufacturing, these are all called comes in the name called automation, industrial automations we call it as. Then it will give you the maximum benefits for the labor and also for the product and also for the machine maintenance. Handles different process with the minimal human interventions. So while we do the mechanical manufacturing system in a automated way, that is where we'll use only the minimum human interventions, and then the product life cycle and the design, assembly, and delivery, where this will give the enormous benefits while we go for automations in the mechanical systems compared to how the computer civilized data handling, where easily we can retrieve the data where we do the very long back years. So that will help in these automation processes, smart manufacturing. So this is called automations. Why we going for automation is this reason is this one. Why automations matter in our manufacturing world? We need an automation to control the production processes, ensuring the increased productivity, reduced cost, and improved safety, achieved with the minimum human involvement. This is called the automations in the uh, manufacturing system. This is the problem, or this is called the empathy part, where the all the manufacturer, I mean all the industrial members required that the productivity to be more and then cost of the productions are to be less and the safety in the industries to be mainly considered with the minimum the human involvement. This is about the automations automations fundamentals, where here we'll see automations in manufacturing is the integrations of machines, the control systems, and the robotics and information technology to perform production process with the minimum human interfaces or involvement, which will help you in improving the efficiency, accuracy, safety in industrial operations and the Industry 4.0 on smart factories, where this is one of the robotic system integrations, where this is the desktop, the inspection robot, and then some of the components, inspection camera, welding robot. This is the main part. This is called defined part in the automations. These are some of the components or the parameters which we consider while we go in an automation system. Next, we'll see what are the terminologies in the automations. The first one is the management level, and then the field level, and then the control level, and then supervisory level, planning level, and management level. These are some of the levels which we in the terminologies, where this programming, we use the system, and then the modeling software, and then factory automations, and then mobile apps, the home automations, the many mobile networks, mobile devices logging into the program, and then industrial internet connect, and then tools and analysis. What are all the things where we do in a manual, which are all connected with the system, the help of the data analysis and these smart sensors, and easily we can connect to the softwares to find where the manufacturing process is running. So this is what about the automation technologies. How can you mind map with these types of automations, where the home automations, the business process automations, robotic process automations, IT automations, and then the industrial automations, AI automation